this video, I am showcasing a clean, modern and stylish Start Menu design created for Rainmeter Windows 11 25s2. This setup gives your desktop a fresh, modern, minimal look with smooth animations and well-balanced layout that premium and modern everything designed to match the latest Windows 11 style while keeping the desktop clutter-free and visually appealing. If you enjoy modern UI, dark aesthetics, and the next level desktop customization, this Start Menu is perfect for you. Sit back, watch full showcase, and get inspired to upgrade your Windows 11 desktop experience. That's it for this Windows 11 25s2 modern Rainmeter Start Menu customization. If you enjoyed this clean and modern desktop setup, don't forget to like the video and share other customization lovers. Your support really helps channel grow. Subscribe for more Windows 11 themes, Rainmeter skins, and creative desktop setup. I'll see you in the next customization video.